Good day, everyone. I am Janmas S. Gutierrez, and today I will be presenting the evolution of technology, a journey with Jim Al-Khalili. So, before we start, here are the objectives of this presentation. Define technology and explain its importance in human life. Describe the evolution of technology from early tools to the digital age. Identify key periods and innovations, such as the scientific and industrial revolutions. Explain the role of science in driving technological advancements as emphasized by Jim Al-Khalili. Discuss the impact of modern technology of society, including its benefits and risks. And lastly, promote responsible and ethical use of technology in daily life. Let's begin with Jim Al-Khalili. Who is Jim Al-Khalili? Jim Al-Khalili, born in 1962, is a renowned Iraqi-British theoretical physicist, author and broadcaster based at the University of Surrey, where he researches quantum mechanics and quantum biology. He is a prominent science communicator, well known for presenting BBC documentaries and hosting the radio program The Life Scientific. Now, let's define technology. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge to achieve practical goals in human life, which includes improving comfort, efficiency, and modifying the environment. Technology is not limited to modern gadgets. It also includes all the tools and methods humans have developed from the past to the present to solve problems and improve daily life. The term comes from Greek techne, meaning art or craft, and logos, meaning word. Over time, its meaning evolved to include not just skills or craftsmanship, but also practical application of knowledge in science and innovation. Examples: knife. Humans learned to cut, carve, and prepare food with knives. This simple tool greatly improved daily life, allowing people to eat safely and efficiently. Cell phone. Today, cell phones enable us to communicate instantly across distances, share information, and even access services like banking and shopping. Internet. The internet has revolutionized how we access information, learn, and communicate. It connects the world and allows people to collaborate globally. These examples show that technology is a bridge between the human knowledge and practical solutions, shaping the way we live. Early technology refers to the simple tools and techniques developed by humans for survival. These tools were not complex, but they were crucial for hunting, protection, and daily activities. Early humans were creative problem solvers who had to use whatever was available in their environment. Examples: stone tools. Stone cutting tools were used to cut meat, shape wood, and carve materials. They allowed early humans to hunt more efficiently and process their food safely. Spears and weapons. This enabled early humans to hunt large animals and defend themselves from predators. Without these tools, survival would have been extremely difficult. Animal skins. Used as clothing, animal skins protected humans from harsh weather and cold climates. This simple innovation allowed humans to migrate to colder regions. These examples illustrate that even the most basic tools had a significant impact on human survival and the development of societies. Discovery of fire. One of the most important discoveries in early technology was fire. Fire provided warmth, protection, and a way to cook food, which improved nutrition and overall health. Examples: cooking food. Cooking made food safer to eat by killing bacteria and parasites. It also made food easier to digest and increased the calories humans could obtain from meals. providing warmth. Fire allowed humans to survive in colder climates and expand to new regions of the world. Protection from wild animals. Fire acted as a barrier against predators, keeping early humans safe. Lighting during the night. Fire extended active hours beyond daylight, allowing social interactions, planning, and even early forms of learning and storytelling. The discovery of fire shows how a single technological innovation can completely transform human life, health, and society. The scientific revolution was a major turning point in history when humans began to understand the world through observation, experimentation, and reasoning instead of relying solely on tradition or superstition. During this period, people started systematically studying nature and identifying patterns and natural laws. This laid the groundwork for modern science, which eventually led to technological innovation. Examples: experiments on motion and gravity. By understanding how objects move and interact, humans could design better machines, transportation, and infrastructure. Discovery of natural laws. Principles of physics, chemistry, and biology guided engineers and inventors in creating technologies. Use of the scientific method. Observation, hypothesis, testing, and analysis allowed humans to develop reliable and repeatable innovations. As Jim Al-Khalili points out, the scientific revolution highlights how science drives innovation and forms the foundation for modern technology. Role of science in technology. Science is the backbone of technology. It provides the knowledge, methods, and principles needed to invent, improve, and apply tools and systems effectively. Without science, technology would rely on guesswork or trial and error, which limits progress. By applying scientific knowledge, humans can make technologies more efficient, safe, and effective. Examples: medical technologies. Research in biology and chemistry has allowed us to create vaccines, diagnostic machines, and treatments, improving human health worldwide. Machine based on physics. Engineers use principles like mechanics, energy, and electricity to design machines that improve productivity in factories and industries. Communication systems. Technologies like radio, telecommunication, and the internet rely on scientific understanding of waves, signals, and electronics. These examples show how science transforms ideas into practical tools, supporting innovation and making life easier, safer, and more connected, as emphasized by Jim Al-Khalili. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution marked a major shift from manual labor to machine-powered production. It changed economies, societies, and the way humans live and work. Examples: steam engine, powered machines, making production faster and more reliable than human or animal labor. Factory systems, centralized production processes, enabling large-scale manufacturing of goods and more efficient use of resources. Mass production of textiles provided affordable clothing and products for growing populations, fueling trade and economic growth. These examples show how technology can transform not just work but entire societies and economies. Transportation. Transportation technology allowed humans to move people and goods more efficiently, connecting regions and improving trade. Examples: trains powered by steam engines allow, allowed long distance travel in hours instead of days, connecting cities and facilitating trade. Railways connecting cities enable faster transport of goods, lowering costs and supporting economic growth. Faster delivery of goods. Help businesses expand and reach wider markets, improving standards of living. So, transportation shows how technology impacts the economy and daily life, making societies more interconnected. Impact on society. Technological advancement affects lifestyle, jobs, and environment. New machines and systems create opportunities and challenges. Examples: job creation in factories provided employment opportunities for large numbers of people. Urbanization: people move to cities for work, leading to the growth of modern cities. Economic growth: increased production, trade, and wealth generation. These examples show that technology does more than improve tools. It reshapes society as a whole. Modern technology refers to the digital tools and systems that improve productivity, communication, and daily life. Examples: computers process and store information efficiently, supporting businesses, research, and education. Internet connects people worldwide, allowing instant communication, information sharing, and collaboration. Smartphones combine multiple functions, making communication, work, and entertainment easier and more integrated. Modern technology demonstrates the continued importance of science in driving innovation, as highlighted by Jim Al-Khalili. Effects on modern technology. Modern technology has both benefits and challenges, like instant messaging and video calls, enable fast communication with anyone globally, saving time and fostering relationships. Online learning platforms provide access to education from anywhere, making learning more flexible and inclusive. Social media, like Facebook and Google, connect people and spread information quickly, but can also create privacy concerns and mental health issues. This shows that while technology offers convenience, it also requires responsible use. Digital age. The digital age is defined by automation, AI, and intelligent machines that improve efficiency and productivity. Examples: artificial intelligence learns from data and makes decisions, helping businesses, healthcare, and personal assistants. Robotics assists in manufacturing, surgery, and other tasks, improving accuracy and reducing human error. Automated machines handle repetitive work, allowing humans to focus on creative and strategic tasks. This era shows how technology is becoming smarter and deeply integrated into our daily lives. Impact of technology refers to how it influences people's lives, society, and the way we work and communicate. Technology has both positive and negative effects depending on how it is used. While it brings convenience and efficiency, it can also create challenges and risks. Here are the positive impacts. Easier communication. Technology allows people to communicate instantly through messaging, calls, and video chats. This helps families stay connected, supports teamwork, and makes global communication possible. Faster work and efficiency. Machines, computers, and automated systems help complete tasks more quickly and accurately. This increases productivity in industries like healthcare, business, and education. Access to information. The internet provides unlimited access to knowledge. Students can research easily, professionals can learn new skills, and people can stay informed and about current event anytime. Negative impacts. Privacy and security risks. Personal information shared online can be misused or stolen. Cyber attacks, data leaks, and identity theft are risks that come with digital technology. Job displacement due to automation. Machines and AI can replace human workers in certain jobs, especially repetitive tasks, leading to unemployment or the need for new skills. Over reliance on devices. People may depend too much on technology, which can reduce critical thinking, social interaction, and problem solving skills. It can also affect mental and physical health if overused. Overall, technology greatly improves our lives, but it is important to use it wisely and responsibly to minimize its negative effects. So, the conclusion summarizes how technology has continuously developed over time, starting from simple tools used for survival to the advancement digital systems we rely on today. This shows that technology is always evolving to meet human needs and improve everyday life. It also emphasizes that science plays a crucial role in this progress. As highlighted by Jim Al-Khalili, scientific knowledge is the foundation that allows technology to grow and become more advanced. Without science, many of today's innovation would not exist. The mention of the scientific and industrial revolutions shows that there were important periods in history where major changes in knowledge and innovation greatly transformed society. These periods helped shape modern technology and the way we live today. At the same time, the conclusion reminds us that although technology provides many benefits like convenience, efficiency, and global connection, it also has negative effects such as privacy issues and job loss. Because of this, it is important for individuals and society to use technology responsibly and ethically, making sure that its advantages are maximized while minimizing its risks. In short, technology is powerful, but how we use it will determine whether it benefits or harms the society. And that's all for my report. Thank you for listening.